you're looking to unlock the graphics settings in FIFA 24 for better performance or visual quality, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you make the necessary adjustments quickly. Step 1. Access game settings. Launch FIFA 24 and navigate to the main menu. From there, go to the settings option, which is usually found in the lower part of the screen. Step 2. Select graphics settings. In the settings menu, look for the graphics or display settings. Click on this option to access all available graphics configurations for the game. Step 3. Adjust resolution and quality. Within the graphics settings, you can change the resolution and overall quality settings. Make sure to select the highest resolution your monitor supports for the best visual experience. Step 4. Enable advanced graphics options. Look for an option that allows you to enable advanced graphics settings. This may include features like anti-aliasing, texture quality, and shadow quality. Turn these options on to unlock enhanced visuals. Step 5. Save changes and restart. After making your adjustments, be sure to save the changes. It may be necessary to restart the game for the new settings to take effect fully. By following these steps, you should be able to unlock and optimize the graphics settings in FIFA 24. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.